My name is Justin David Cox, and my home is in East Austin. I just love history, all things old, and old things have a smell and a feel. My inspiration for the style is drawn a lot from old public school photos back in the 30s and 40s. Coming out of college, I'm a pretty sentimental person, and I had a really hard time getting rid of a lot of the things that I had collected. I had done a really good job of purging. There was no reason for me to have a collection of 25 pint glasses. My favorite element of the home is the wood floors. They're a great mixture of the original floors from this home and then also some reclaimed longleaf pine in a home that was being demolished in Dallas. My proudest DIY. I got rid of my TV and bought a projector, and so the flag hides where the projector actually shoots, so I don't have a giant blank space on the wall. My biggest indulgence is really into cement all of a sudden, and I'm not sure why. I have a strange little collection of cement pieces that I found on the side of the road that I'm using as like planter stools or side tables and things like that. My house represents like old things, and so a lot of this stuff I think feels familiar, and they kind of mean the world to me. They can't talk, but if they could, like the stories they would share.